Yeah, my name is John Ray Gardner. I'm from right here in Boulder. I don't have a company name yet, but I hopefully will in the next couple months. The class was great. You know, having these incredibly experienced instructors to talk to, getting to ask them questions, you know, one-on-one or as a group is amazing. The House of Horrors is really neat. Honestly, we spent a lot of time sitting in the classroom. We did go through the House of Horrors. I really look forward to coming back and spending more focused time on my own with it. Since I live locally, I can do that. Getting your hands on the circuit panels, getting your hands on the plumbing, you know, actually seeing the connections, having it all laid out. You know, they can cram a lot of mistakes into one little length of pipe in the House of Horrors. And if you can touch that and ask questions about it, tactile experience is definitely a step up from anything you can get from in the classroom or certainly online. I would absolutely recommend this. I'm using this as kind of a kickstart before taking the online courses, and it's really got me motivated. And I think the main thing that this did for me is give me a lot of confidence. Just having all the information is encouraging, and getting those questions answered and being in a room full of other people that are in the same situation is hugely beneficial, and gave me a lot of confidence to move forward.